The DREAMS project has the ambition to fill the gap between the manned and unmanned aviation in terms of aeronautical information to be exchanged by U-Space users. We are now in Madrid to share in our International Advisory Board the progress of our project.
We started gathering needs and requirements defined in several scenarios. We exploited our experience as drone operator and we interviewed more than 100 people operating in unmanned aviation.
Safety of drone operations in the U-Space shall be ensured.
We exploited our experience in performing SORA analysis and risk assessment to derive safety requirements for the U-Space. We proposed oversight mechanisms for the safety providers in the U-Space.
U-Space needs appropriate rules associated to new standards and integrations to the current regulations.
Starting from existing aeronautical information services, we have identified several gaps to be fulfilled with respect to U-Space stakeholder requirements. Indeed, new U-Space services are needed to enable safe VLL urban drone operations.
Proposal to fulfill such gaps has been studied and consolidated in an unmanned AIM ConOps. Such concepts are going to be validated with the U-Space platform provided by IDS and TU Delft to verify their applicability in selected simulation scenarios.